Hi guys, happy Monday to you. It's Monday and I'm in a great mood. Wanna know why? I'm usually not this happy on Mondays. I'm usually a little tired and grumpy. Because it's Monday and who likes Mondays, right? It's the start of the week. But this girl likes today because I got something accomplished. And I like the end result and I'm ready to share it with you. Want to see what I did? Got into a little mischief on Sunday with Amazon. Oh yes, I did. I was shopping Amazon. I was digging all this same day delivery, one day delivery. It was just like, what? I can get this? Let me get this straight. I can get this today and it'll be delivered by 9 p.m. Sign me up. Purchase by click. Done. I got myself some earrings, cheap ones, a whole pack of these in all different colors. I got some other earrings too. They're sparkly, they're blingy, they're big and 80s-ish. And got a whole bunch of those for $10. And then got myself some coastal country farmhouse lights, cottage lights, I don't know what you call them, but I got them. I installed them and I'm gonna share that with you today. Oh, I also got a big bag of starfish. I got starfish ornaments. I was on a coastal kick this weekend, guys, and I cannot believe they had same day delivery. Who does that? Who does that? This is dangerous, people. This is dangerous. I mean, this could be very dangerous. Oh boy, my husband better close out that account fast. Nope, nope, I doubt that. He also took part in the same day delivery as well. We had deliveries coming and going all day Sunday. It was like, ooh, I wonder who that delivery's for. And then it was like 2 p.m. It was like, oh, somebody's coming up the driveway. I wonder if that's for you or me. And then it was like 7 o'clock and it was like, ding dong. I was like, oh, could that be my lights? And it was. And what I love about Amazon is you can find a product and sometimes it'll like say you can get this product elsewhere for less money. So you click that and boom, bada bang, it's less. And again, all you have to do is buy. One click, buy. Thank you for your order. It's on the way. Yeah, I'm telling you, it's dangerous. It's dangerous. All right, let's get into the video, shall we? So I did this installation this morning and I was in my pajamas. Yeah, I didn't want to, not pretty, not showing you that messy hair. Coffee in hand. Where's the drill? Where's my screws? Let's do this. Look at the instructions. Anyway, enough said. What you will see in the video are my hands. And I apologize, you guys, I've got the world's ugliest hands. Yeah, I feel like they're always in water. They're just dry, they're wrinkly, they're shriveled up. I joke that I'm half fish because they're always like submerged in water all the time. It's terrible. My cuticles peel and I'm always like, anyway, I apologize. It is what it is. Let's get into the video. All right, guys, what I'm doing today is installing some farmhouse coastal lights on either side of this cottage side. I'm gonna put one there and one there. And this will be interesting. I don't know how this is gonna turn out, but as I've stated before, this kitchen is a little bit dark because really all the light that's coming through is from this cutout and then over here from that room. And so I have installed shop lights all around my kitchen, but I want to make this look more coastal farmhouse in here. So I ordered some lights on Amazon and we'll get to that in just a minute. All right, guys, what I'm going to be doing today is installing this light. I ordered it on Amazon Sunday morning, and this is the awesome part. I received it by 7 p.m. It said delivery by 9 p.m. So basically same day shipping. And I was like, score, I'm so getting these. And I like them because I have no idea how to do electrical wiring. This is pretty simple and I'm gonna show you how to install it. So stay tuned. So I do want to mention that I got a pair of these for $42.99 in black on Amazon, and I'll be linking all the information you need in the description box below. Click on that link, and if you want to buy this, you can get it from that Amazon link. Also, I will say I went to go order 2 more, and it said delivery by Wednesday. So I don't know what changed, but you know, try it for your area. You might luck out like I did yesterday. So I don't know how they do that, but check it out. All right, well, here's my Amazon box. I've already installed one light, but I'm gonna show you how to do it. And ladies, when I first took this out of the box, I was like, oh, I was kind of intimidated. I was like, I'm not an electrician. Oh my goodness, this looks complicated. Guess what? It's not. It's super simple. If I can do it, anybody can do it. So I'm going to take these out of the package, and then I will show you how to assemble this. Easy, easy peasy. So I've got this right here and this. Before I do anything, I'm going to take this, unscrew this right here. Then I'm going to take these wires. Let's see. And I'm going to put them through like that. And then I'm going to take this piece and put this through. And screw it on. Nice and tight. So it looks like this. Get it on there nice and tight. All right. Now, let's see. All right, as you can see, I've got black and white wires. You're gonna take this white wire to this short white wire, just like this, and kind of even them out right here. And then you're gonna take one of these little doodads, one is longer than the other, and you're just gonna put this on and twist, and it twists the wires together. Done. Do the same thing with the black wires. Put them together like this. Get your little orange doodad and twist. Just like that. Guess what? Now we're ready to install. And then once I get up there, I'm gonna drill into the wall right here, here, and here with my screws, and then I'll just slip this right on. These little holes right here will come right through, and then all you do is put one of these things on, and then you're done. Let's go do it. Let's do it. I hate all the stickers they put on there, so I just take them off. And all I need to do is put this. Oh, I should mention, sorry, this is so hard to do with one hand. I take this off. Take this off before you install your light. Hold on, I'm gonna. So they have this screwed on right here. So you're gonna take this off. And then you're gonna take your light and you're gonna slip that on there like that. Then take the cap and screw it on. That's all there is to it. Install your light bulb and you are good to go. Done. And then, by the way, you can move this light up, down, however you want it. Let's see. And I just screwed mine in real tight like this, because that's how I want mine. All right, this light came with the ground. I am not using the ground, but I'm gonna keep it on there in case I wanna use this lamp somewhere else someday. So I'm gonna decide where I want it, and then I'm gonna drill my screws into these holes right here, and then I'll be able to slip the lamp on there. Done. All right, guys, I got it installed onto the wall, and I was like, okay, how am I gonna conceal the wire? Well, to my surprise, there's a gap in between this and the wall, just slightly. So really all you're gonna see is that right there. And then I'm gonna run, then I'm gonna run this cord up and over here where it's plugged in. I'm gonna conceal this with greenery. I'm gonna put some greenery right in this area. But anyway, operation install lamp complete. This plug, this smart plug, allows me to power my shop lights that are all around my kitchen. So over there, I have another smart plug, and all of these are ganged together on that. And if you get the app on your phone that goes with the smart plug, no matter where you are, you can turn your lights on and off. It's super, super simple. And so I'm in love with that smart plug. I think it's amazing. All right, off to do operation install over here on that side. And then I'll be done. Woohoo! Here's another idea for you. Get yourself an old rustic door. Get yourself one of these lights. Because it's got a cord, see, you could plug into your outlet very easily, but drill into your door and boom, you've got a cute light, and you could have a wreath or a clock or a shelf, do whatever you want on that door. But that would be a really cute idea. And if you wanted to, you could drill into your door right there, run the cord up and over, but you could conceal it with greenery or whatever, whatever you want. Just an idea. You guys, is that not cute or what? My daughter is mowing the lawn for me. Here she goes. Gotta put those kids to work. Okay guys, I can officially say done. Done. That was a very easy install. Anybody can do it. If I can do it, anybody can. And it's giving me the beachy, coastal, cottagey, farmhouse vibe I am looking for here in the kitchen. And again, these lights, because you don't need an electrician, would work anywhere in your house. You could drop it, you could put one of these lights above a beautiful mirror, and that would give it a farmhouse, coastal, beachy vibe. You could put it on a door. You could put it in numerous places. Options are endless. You could put these over a headboard. There's just a lot of different things you can do with them, but I love them. So I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Stay tuned for what's next. So this concludes the end of my video. So go forth and have a wonderful rest of your day. And I thank you guys so much for stopping by to see a little old me, crazy old me. And I'll see you guys on Wednesday, okay? We'll be into our coastal decor. I may have to do a video on Thursday instead of Friday because my daughter's having surgery on her leg. She had an accident last year and they're taking out the old scar. Poor thing. It went all the way, I think it was like how many, 16, was it 16 inches? something like that. Her scar is like 16 inches, and it's like all jaggedy. So they're gonna take out that scar. It's a 2.5-hour surgery, and they're gonna try to make it less noticeable, I guess, if that's what you want to call it. So I pray everything goes well, but yeah, I don't think I'm gonna be back Friday because I gotta care for her. She's gonna be under anesthesia, and then she's gonna come home, and we've gotta wrap it, and gauze, and ointment, and all that good stuff. And then my girls have prom on Saturday. I'm like, girlfriend, how are you gonna go to prom after having a big surgery like that? Anyway, the doctor seems to think she will be able to go. We're just gonna wrap that leg really well. And she's got a long dress, so thankfully it'll be covered, but we'll see how that goes. That may be a story in itself. All right, guys, I'll see you Wednesday. Sending you all my love.